a 23-year-old, so that's why I have all these wrinkles and, you know.
Well, I think we should do right there.
Yeah, yeah. So I want to do 2 areas. The one that I got, and then, you know, purchase another area. But I do want your opinion because I feel like I have one eye that droops more than the other.
Well, this eye's lower, but this brow's high, and this whole eyeball is lower.
Yeah, yeah.
You know? But when I put it here, like this muscle does this.
Right.
So a little bit of Botox there is going to lift that up.
Okay.
This eye, the canthus here tilts down. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I do. Because in pictures, like, I change sides and tilt my head and do all kind of crazy things so that I don't look like I have had, you know, a droop on my eye there.
Show me.
It just,
Show me how you tilt your head. No.
I just, however I can get it. You know, we take 97 selfies. I'm not mom. When we take selfies,
Taking a bunch.
we take a bunch. So, you know, my girls, I have to approve. They don't approve.
So raise your brows for me. See, you've got like this little line right here.
Right.
But I mean, we could smile. Smile. I think you would the forehead lines are thicker. I think I would treat them. I think you would rather treat those than around your eyes.
Okay.
But
I want you to make me look like I have an Instagram filter all the time.
which one do you like?
I will show you. I just took it this morning.
One.
Because my
I kind
husband...
of like Nashville, but I was told never to scroll that far.
my husband said, this morning, he said, send me an updated picture because I want to remember how you look. And I said, I'm going to look the same. But it's just, tell the difference from what we just took. Mm-hmm. To me, I look like I'm tired.
Some of that is skin texture.
Right.
Like, you know, we can work, because what that's doing is, and you can Google what each filter does.
Oh, right.
Like, is that Oslo? Which one is that?
I really don't know. The one that makes me look good.
But you can Google what it's doing.
Really? Oh, okay.
You know, like the most popular Snapchat filter is the dog, and they think it's because they're it covers your nose.
Wow.
And then with the beauty filter, it'll tell you. Like, it's really cool, all the research that's in it.
Okay. I just,
I'll be Googling that tonight.
Me too, yeah.
I used to know it because I got so into it when I was reading it. Yeah. I think I would do, like, with your texture, like you could do a halo, which is a great laser, and you can do microneedling. You can just get on, we can recommend some good skincare that'll help brighten your face. When it gets cold, you look old because it dehydrates it. You can't drink water and put it back. But you can put things on your face. It'll really hydrate it. Okay. But you've got oily kind of skin.
Very oily.
So,
large pores on my nose.
We need to start now.
Yeah. I watched you microneedle on snow day.
Did you?
I loved it. Yeah.
It's fun. Still healing it.
It looks really
where
good.
I got a little aggressive. But you really can almost. I think that's Oslo.
Okay.
So you've never had it before?
No.
Squeeze your brows in. This is the little needle. You see how small it is?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm a nurse.
Well, nobody gives a shot meaner than a nurse.
That's right. Yeah, there'll be a lot of people that may be watching. Do you want
to say hey to your kids?
Hey, if y'all are watching,
this is how we do Botox. Enjoy your youth.
That's right.
Don't do bad things that make you age.
Skincare and sunscreen. Yes. That's right.
Squeeze your brow. And your twins aging is genetic, so I'm putting it down your corrugators. So how are you feeling?
Oh, wow, that's nothing.
It's right in my hand. So you can raise your brows. Keeping it high. This side, it's funny because see the mirror. You see how that'll go away in just a second. But you see how these lines are deeper over here? Raise your brows.
Right.
Like, usually this side would be stronger and you would have more lines over here because you would be pulling up higher because this side's lower. But I think, but that's not the case with you. This side's stronger. You see how that's deeper?
Right.
This is the only line you can't get with Botox because if you did, it would drop it. But I can tweak it if it's not. If some people, this jumps. There's a famous picture of Nicole Kidman and her bunny lines, but it's because she Botoxed everything and left that, and it really jumped. So if you feel like this gets hyperactive, I can fix it.
Okay. That was incredibly easy.
Good. Like it?
Yeah.
The kids have any questions?
No.
Are they on there?
They're in high school. They're just thinking, I'm
That's
so glad
right.
I'm young because I don't have to.
Just hearts and likes.
Oh, we like that.
Yeah.
So Botox lasts about 3 months. It'll take about a week, and you'll just feel like you'll feel tight, like your forehead won't hurt. You know, it'll just all of a sudden it'll start to feel tight, and your middle of your brow will come up some. The other thing you could do is you could use some Latisse on this side. Do you see these lashes are long? I mean, I know that's picky, but can you tell? These lashes are longer than this, and that didn't help it. And I think it's because this whole eyeball is smaller, and so I think you have less of a lash line from here to here.
Right.
Can you close your eyes for a second? Y'all see the difference? I mean, this side has a lot more lashes. Now open your eyes. So if you added a little bit, if you started using Latisse over here and this thickened up, I think this side would look better because the whole eyeball is smaller. Not to give you a complex or anything.
No, I knew it.
But it is. So the things you can do to tweak that would be to grow your lashes on this side. Or just go get strip lashes and glue it on that side and you'll see what I mean. Because I think it'll really give you a lift on that side.
Okay. Well, that's all. Because I've always noticed in pictures.
I mean,
that it sits lower. I don't know why.
and then pull. See how this can? See how that comes down?
Right.
More.
So maybe one day we can
Push that up.
push that up.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Nope. Just focus on the lashes on that side. Okay. So I think it'd be